Excel, renaming columns in pivot tables. When you create a pivot table and you include multiple fields as rows in your pivot table, the column title will default to Row Labels. If you want to make this more descriptive, you can select the cell and type in a more appropriate label. If you want to see the data expanded out, select the Design ribbon, select the drop-down next to Report Layout, and select Show in Tabular Form. Your pivot table will then expand, with a column added for each of your row fields. Select the minus or the plus to remove these extra bits of data from your table. Back in the Design ribbon, to remove the additional columns, select Show in Compact Form.